Bought the new Weber Q1200N and wondering how you can store it and what to stand it on? Then this is the video for you. Don't forget every key to the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at a couple of accessories you may already have and be able to use with your Q1200N. Now, as you know, the Q1200N has been out a couple of months now. There's still no Weber rotisserie accessory for it, and you can use your original baby Q trivet, or you can upgrade to the newer version of that trivet for the Weber Q1200N. If you've been storing your Weber Baby Q, obviously you've got a bag for it. So we're gonna see if it'll fit in the Baby Q version of that bag. I'm pretty sure it won't. When I did the original video of this, I discovered that the footprint on it, or the original Weber 2200 is. So saying that, it should fit on the stand that you may already have. So let's check out, see if it'll fit in the bag, and then we'll have a look and see if it'll fit on the stand. All right, so we've got the Weber Q1200N. We're gonna try and see if it will fit in the Baby Q bag, which we've got here. I'm pretty sure it won't. Height wise, it's going to be a little bit taller, and it's going to be a little bit wider as well, width wise, but we'll check it out and see if it can. All right, so it might be a tight squeeze, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to fit. Right, so as we look at it, it's not going to zip up, I can guarantee that. That's about as far as you're going to get it. Now, my recommendation with this, because it's got the same footprint as the Q2200, I'm pretty sure that a Q2200 bag would fit this, purely because of the height and the width of that bag. So if you're looking for a bag, it's worth trying out the Q2200 bag, and I will put a link down below to that. To save you waiting for a Q1200N bag to be released, you can more than likely use the Q2200 bag from the old Weber Q. Right, so we've got the original portable stand for the Q1000 and Q2000. As I said earlier, the Q1200N has got roughly the same footprint as the Q2000, Q2200, so it should fit on this stand. Probably not going to lock in, but we'll see how we go. Well, so now we've removed the Q1200, you can see you've got two sizes here. So originally it's for the Q2000 or Q2200, you would move these, and then that's for the Q1000. With this Q being a little bit bigger, it's got the same, more or less, footprint as the Q2000, 2200. So let's drop it in and see if it fits. Right, so you can see with that flange, it's a little bit wider, so it's not going to go all the way back. You could cut that out and modify it. I wouldn't recommend doing that. You can get a proper stand for this, but this is just a temporary measure for me to use the Weber Q. So you can see it's not locking in place, but because you've got those rubber wheels on the bottom, it is actually staying on there. It's just as rickety as it was with the Q1000, Q1200, but at least it is holding it there. So it is going to give you a working height if you can't afford to buy the proper cart for it. Like I say, it's not going to lock in place. You can use it on the original Weber portable cart. Don't forget there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So we started the video and seeing if we could fit the Weber Baby Q1200N into a Baby Q traveller bag. Now, because the Weber Q1200N won't fit in that Baby Q bag because it's not really designed for it, the Weber Q2000 and the Weber Q2200 bag, the Baby Q1200N will fit in that with ease if you don't want to wait for Weber to release an actual designed bag for that Weber Q1200N. Now, as it goes for the stand, as you can see, it does fit on that portable stand. It won't lock in. You can get a new stand for the Weber Q1200N where it will actually fit, but with those rubber wheels on the bottom, it will fit in that 2200 space, and it does stay pretty well. And I have done a few cook-ups with this with my Q1200N. We've got some value out of the video, and it saved you a bit of money on buying a new stand for your Weber Q1200N. If you did, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up, and make sure you comment down below if you've bought the new Weber Q1200N. So thanks for watching, happy grilling, and I'll catch you in the next one.